Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. People that watch most of my videos know by now I just can't stop when I get on a neat subject. But this would be a pretty cool pattern and very easy. Once you've got your pattern made, and I stated in that other video to save it, I am going to make a 12-inch circle, and I'm going to go and make it a 1-inch line or a 1/2 inch. I'm going to left click. I'm going to right click. No, don't even have to do that. Go to object, convert the outline to an object, and you don't really have to do it, but we're going to make it black. Now what I'm going to do is take my attribute object dropper tool that I've used in all these and take a sample and put it in there so we have that. Now, it is now 12.5 inches. It's a 1/2 inch thick. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate and make it 11.5. Now we're going to rotate it 10 degrees. Now, when you do the next one, it's going to make it too small because every time it gets smaller, you'd have to remeasure it. It's almost easier to hold down the shift and grab one of these corners and just have the line meet, and then Control D again and hold down the shift key and have it grow inwardly. And you could, and don't forget to rotate, go back to 10, and you get that look, and you could just keep going. We need to make it a little bit bigger every time because it's actually measuring in it. And holding down the shift, it'll make it grow from the outside in. And you get that look, and then you put a black background around it. And it's almost like a woven effect. And I haven't even started playing with colors on this outline yet. This is probably going to be the more useful to just give some pizzazz to the outline. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.